Hello guys, welcome all to English of. So in this video we'll study about noun. So in previous video I have already told you what is noun. So a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. And every noun and pronoun have the four qualities. What are they? They are kind, number, gender and case. So first we will study about the kind of noun. So nouns are generally classified under five heads. First one is proper, second is common, third is collective, fourth is material and fifth is abstract. So what is proper noun? Proper noun denoting particular names of persons, animals, places and things. For example, Rama, Delhi, Jimmy, a dog name. Jimmy, Swan, a hen name. Second, common noun. It denoting general names of persons, places, animals, and things. For example, boy, city, pen, dog, etc. Third, collective noun. Collective noun denoting in one word collection of many persons, animals and things. For example, bunch, fleet, flock, herd, galaxy, constellation, etc. Fourth, material noun. Material noun denoting a material out of which other materials are made. For example, gold, silver, zinc, mud, plastic, clay, etc. And fifth is abstract noun. Abstract noun denoting the name of a quality, state, or action. For example, knowledge, wisdom, courage, bravery, childhood, etc. Then we will know about number of noun. It can be singular or plural. What is singular? Singular when it refers to one person, animal, place or thing. And when it is plural? Plural, it denotes more than one person, place, animal or thing. So generally plural is formed by the addition of s or es to the singular. For example, boy become boys, ass become asses, and sometimes with a change of the final letter, that is F to V and Y to I. For example, calf become calves, fly become flies. There are some words that form the plural by the addition of en to the singular. For example, ox, oxen, child, children. And there are also some words that get changed by vowel. That is, mouse become mice, goose become geese. Some words have the same form in the singular and plural. That are sheep in singular and also in plural it is sheep, swine and swine. Some Greek words change like analysis become analyzes, phenomenon become phenomenon. Some Latin words change like axis become axis, fungus become fungi, genius become genie, index become indices. Some Hebrew words change like cherub become cherubim, seraph become seraphim. And there are also some compound words. They form their plural by adding s to the cheap word. For example, father-in-law become fathers-in-law, stepson become stepsons, hanger-on become hangers-on, coat material become coats material. Then come to gender. Gender are of four type in English language. What are they? They are masculine, feminine, common and neuter. What is masculine? That all male objects and persons. Feminine, all female objects and persons. Common, either male or female. Neuter, neither male nor female. So we will see first masculine and feminine. Hers is masculine, its feminine is mare. Man is masculine, its feminine is woman. Boy is masculine, its feminine is girl. Some common gender are doctor, nurse, teacher, lawyer, servant, etc. And some neuter gender are table, chair, desk, book, etc. Then we will come to case. Case ending in nouns denotes its relationship to the other words in the sentences. There are four important cases. What are they? First one is the subject of the sentence is said to be in the nominative case. For example, I gave the book to my friend. Here, I is the nominative case as it is the subject in the sentence. Second is the object of the sentence is said to be in the object's case. Book is the object case as it is the object in the sentence. Third is vocative case. Is used to address a person or thing. For example, sir, what do you mean? The fourth one is the genitive or possessive case that indicates the owner or possessor. For example, boy's hat. Whose hat is that? Boy's hat. Student's book. Whose book is that? Student's book, etc. So, for more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.